Have you ever woken up to find an 8-legged surprise scuttling across your floor? You're not alone. Scorpions are creepy crawlies that can send shivers down anyone's spine. On top of that, a female scorpion can give birth to up to 100 live young at a time. Today's video is all about eradicating these stingers with nature's help. We'll guide you to a scorpion-free haven using safe methods for you, your family, and your pets. So stick around to the end to send those stingers packing for good. Here are the best natural methods to keep scorpions at bay. 1. Boric acid. One natural remedy that has gained popularity for repelling scorpions is boric acid. This white powder comes from boron, and you can sprinkle it around entry points to create a barrier that scorpions avoid. You can also sprinkle it on those pests and watch them react. Boric acid disrupts the exoskeleton of insects and arachnids, causing them to dehydrate and die. Not only is boric acid effective against scorpions, but it also repels other pests like cockroaches and ants. Its non-toxic nature makes it a safe option for households with pets and children. However, use boric acid sparingly as excessive exposure can harm humans. Consider using gloves and masks when applying the powder in sensitive areas of your home. 2. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a powerful natural substance that can be your secret weapon against scorpions infiltrating your home. This fine powder is derived from the fossilized remains of diatoms. Thanks to its sharp edges, it'll cut, dehydrate, and eventually kill insects and arachnids upon contact. Its abrasive texture damages their exoskeleton, leading to their ultimate demise. Interestingly, diatomaceous earth is non-toxic to humans and pets, making it a safe alternative to harmful chemical insecticides. Sprinkle it in active areas where scorpions hide or travel along baseboards, crevices, and near entry points to create an inhospitable environment for these unwanted pests. Embracing this natural solution keeps scorpions at bay and reduces the risk of exposing your family and furry friends to toxic substances in commercial pest control products. 3. Vinegar. Vinegar is a humble pantry staple with extraordinary powers. Its acidic nature makes it an excellent cleaning agent and an effective deterrent for unwanted critters like scorpions. When diluted with water and sprayed around entry points or common hiding spots, vinegar creates a barrier scorpions find repulsive, keeping them at bay. In addition, vinegar's odor disrupts scorpions' sensitive sense of smell, making it harder for them to navigate and locate possible prey or shelter within your living space. This simple yet potent natural solution offers a safe and eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical pesticides while protecting your home from these elusive predators. Next time you reach for that vinegar bottle in your kitchen cabinet, remember its versatility goes beyond culinary uses. It could be your secret weapon against scorpions lurking in the shadows. 4. Spray essential oils. Essential oils such as lavender, cinnamon, peppermint, and cedar are powerful natural repellents that help keep scorpions at bay in your home. Lavender oil creates a pleasant aroma and sends scorpions running for the hills due to its strong scent. Similarly, the sharp fragrance of cinnamon oil can disrupt the sensory receptors of scorpions, making them less likely to venture into your living spaces. Peppermint oil is another effective option for deterring scorpions, as its intense smell overwhelms their ability to navigate their surroundings effectively. Additionally, cedar oil's woody scent is a potent barrier against scorpions and other pests. Mix 10% essential oils with a carrier oil and spray in hot areas around your home. You can also mix them with water in a spray bottle for easy application, creating an inhospitable environment for scorpions while enjoying the added benefits of these delightful fragrances. 5. Use sticky traps. Another effective method to combat scorpions in your house is to set sticky traps with bait. These traps are simple but highly efficient in capturing scorpions as they have baits. Placing these traps in areas where scorpions are likely to hide or travel can significantly reduce their population indoors. When setting up sticky traps with bait, use a potent attractant that will lure scorpions towards the trap. Consider using food items like crickets or cockroaches as bait, as these insects are scorpions' favorite meals. Check and replace the traps regularly to ensure their effectiveness in trapping and removing scorpions from your home. 6. Seal your home. Sealing your home with robust materials is crucial in keeping out unwanted pests like scorpions. Start by inspecting your doors, windows, and any cracks or gaps in the walls. Use high-quality weather stripping and caulking to seal these entry points. Consider installing door sweeps to fortify vulnerable areas where scorpions could sneak in. Reinforce screens on windows and vents to provide an extra layer of defense against scorpions infiltrating your living spaces. Opt for sturdy mesh screens that are tightly secured to prevent any openings for these critters from slipping through. Remember, a proactive approach in sealing off access points can create a barrier that deters scorpions from entering your home. 7. Cut overhanging branches. An often overlooked method to keep scorpions away from your home is ensuring no overhanging branches around your house. Scorpions are adept climbers and can easily access your home by using tree branches as highways. Trim back overhanging branches to hinder their entry. This simple yet effective tactic deters scorpions and enhances the overall safety of your property. Maintaining a well-manicured garden with trimmed trees creates an inviting environment for yourself while simultaneously minimizing potential hiding spots for scorpions. It's a win-win situation that benefits you aesthetically and prevents unwanted encounters with these nocturnal creatures. 8. Trim your yard, palm tree barks, and dead fronds. Trimming your yard enhances aesthetics and plays a crucial role in scorpion control. Focus on areas with palm trees as they often hide scorpions due to their favorable environments. Inspect and cut back palm tree bark and remove dead fronds to eliminate hiding spots for these arachnids. In scorpion prevention, the devil is truly in the details. Paying attention to seemingly insignificant tasks like clearing out debris around palm trees can deter scorpions from your home. Remember, these creatures are adept at finding shelter in the smallest of spaces, so being meticulous with yard maintenance can go a long way in keeping them at bay. 9. Introduce predators. Predators play a crucial role in controlling scorpion populations naturally. Animals such as birds, lizards, cats, owls, and certain insects like tarantula are effective predators of scorpions, preying on them and helping to keep their numbers in check. Encouraging these natural predators to inhabit your surroundings can reduce the population of scorpions in your home. One fascinating predator of scorpions is the grasshopper mouse. This small but fierce creature hunts down scorpions for food, but also possesses immunity to their venom. It's fascinating how these unique adaptations have allowed the grasshopper mouse to become an efficient predator in regions with scorpions. Embracing the presence of predators like the grasshopper mouse can be a beneficial strategy for managing scorpion populations without harmful chemicals or pesticides. As you can see, tackling scorpions in your home doesn't have to be a daunting task. Implementing simple yet effective strategies like decluttering, sealing entry points, and using natural repellents can help eliminate these unwelcome guests. Remember, prevention is vital in keeping scorpions at bay, so stay vigilant and proactive in maintaining a scorpion-free environment. With a little effort and persistence, you'll be able to enjoy a scorpion-free home without harsh chemicals. So next time you spot a scorpion lurking in the shadows, arm yourself with these natural remedies and show them who's boss. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to effectively get rid of pests with baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now. Bye for now.